Hello everybody, my name is Naoya. I'm from the Ramen Ryoma at the Pacific Beach location, and I'm gonna introduce our special ramen, which called Deluxe Ryoma Ramen with a miso broth. And our miso broths are different than the other restaurant because we bake the miso with a lot of the ingredients, and that's why our miso soup is thick and rich and flavorful and slightly sweet. Also, we use miso from Japan. We never use artificial or something. We use actual miso to bake the miso soup. And our miso is a Hokkaido style. So Hokkaido is that ramen came from the originally from Japan with Hokkaido, which is north part of the Japan. So I'm gonna try to eat the deluxe ramen. Itadakimasu. Wow, looks so nice. So, how is it taste like a soup?
Is it good?
Good. You have to you have to try. And our noodle is Asian noodle, and it's a little bit chewing for American people, but it's tasty. This has a lot of ginger inside, so fresh. This is chashu. Let's try. Tender. Match with the miso soup. And this is our salt boiled egg. So you can see. This one. Let's try. Yum. So this is our special miso ramen. If you want to try, just come to the PB Roma. See you again soon then. Bye.